Hello everyone, welcome to English Elegance. Today we will learn about English speaking skills. First of all, English is not our mother tongue. English is our second language. Therefore, it is clear that whenever you will speak, the influence of your mother tongue will come automatically. So, there is a thing that most of the people think that if we do not speak fluently, the people will judge you. But if you talk about the US people, the day US people talk to you in Hindi as frequently and as easily as you speak, and in the same accent and with the same efficiency as you speak in English, that will the day when you will be on the same level. So, as far as I know, we are really steps ahead of US people as far as language is concerned. If you are able to speak whatever is inside your mind, then this is a great ability for you. So, believe in yourself and remove inferiority complex, and side by side make an improvement plan which can be divided into 7 steps that will I teach you. First step is read. Try to read more stuff, more material in English that will help you, like newspapers, magazines, novels, self-help books, and many other things are there. Second, second is write. Start writing vlogs. And if you are posting something on social media, don't just put the pictures. Try to write about it. Write the description about it so that you can have a more elaborative way and you can improve your grasp on the words of English language. Third, watch. Start watching the Netflix series and watch as much stuff as you can. Like there are number of news anchors, documentaries and Netflix series as well. Now let's take an example of small kids. If you take an example of a kid just by watching a cartoon series named Peppa Pig, the kids are developing British English so well. And then the fourth is listen. Try to listen to the podcast, download the audio books. There are so many apps available on internet. And if you want, you can just whenever you are traveling, just try to have some good material with you and don't waste your time while traveling. Listen to that, it will be more productive, and in addition to that, it will improve your vocabulary as well. Now I'll give you an example in this point, so listen to it very carefully. I will discuss a sentence and it will have three contexts with three different meanings. So let's understand the sentence. The sentence is, the door is open. Let's come to the first context. There is a professor and there is a student. The student comes up to the professor after the lecture and says that, sir, I want to become an IS officer. The professor says, yes, you can. Try hard work and the door is open. That means there is an opportunity for you. If you work hard, you will be an officer one day. In the second scenario, there is a student and a professor again. The student comes to the professor and says, and it's the month of January. So the student says, sir, it's quite cold in the classroom. I can't study properly. So the professor says, the cold breeze is coming from outside. The door is open. That means the door was open, and because of that cold breeze, it was quite chilly inside the classroom. Now coming to the third scenario, in the third context, again there is a professor and a student. So now the student comes up to the professor after the lecture is over. He comes over there and says, sir, I don't like your lecture. I don't understand anything. So I don't want to be here in the classroom. I want to leave. So again, the professor says the door is open. What does that mean? It means you don't like my lecture, you can leave the classroom. So here what we want to understand is that we have the same set of words, we have the same location, the same professor and the same student, but we have different meanings of the same sentence in different contexts. Now Coming to the fifth point is speak. Try to speak as much as you can, as much opportunity as you get. So, because whenever you speak up, you try to exaggerate new words, and you have, by this you can improve your English language skills as well. Coming to the sixth point. Sixth point is experiment. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. When you try to speak to others, be willing to experiment with new words, and it will be a fun for you as well while learning. Then coming to the seventh, that is the last point, is belief. Believe in yourself. Try to remove the belief from your mind that your English speaking skills are being evaluated. Not just your English speaking skills, your competency, your technical skills, your experience, your vision, your creativity, and many more things are there which are being evaluated while you are speaking. So believe in yourself. So this was all about the 7 steps improvement plan which we can implement to improve our English language and speaking skills. And thank you. By the time, keep learning with English elegance.